So it's Wednesday again and I have a new lip combo for you. So if you are just like me, nahihirapan gumamit ng nude lipstick or nai-intimidate sa color kasi it tends to wash me out. If you're just like me, stay a while and watch this reel. So I will be combining these three products. First, this darker shade of lip liner by Vice Cosmetics PH. This Bobbie Brown crushed lip in Bare, and also this Nars lip gloss. I start off by prepping my lips with Vaseline Lip Care, and then I am going to apply the lip liner. So if you notice, this lip liner is darker. But let me just show it to you so that you understand why this helps in not washing out your face whenever you try on nude lips. A little bit of shading. So for me, I really need something dark or a brown to balance off the very nude lipstick. And then the lip gloss. So there you have it, guys. Just put on a liner that is like a contour and voila. No washout at all.